Meet the Hiwonder AI Large Model Development Board. Built on the powerful ESP32-S3 core module, it deeply integrates large language models, voice models, and multimodal vision models. It is designed to help you effortlessly start your AI journey and build your own embodied AI projects.
Hello, Hiwonder.
Yay, you got it right this time.
The board is packed with integrated hardware, an LCD touchscreen, microphone, speaker, plus temperature, light, and IMU sensors. It also features an intuitive LVGL graphical interface for an instant, smart user experience. Need more? You can easily connect HD cameras, PWM servos, bus servos, and various other sensors. With onboard Wi-Fi, you can connect directly to the AI management dashboard. You have the flexibility to switch between leading AI models like DeepSeek and Qwen3. Customize the AI's personality, tone, and knowledge base. Then bring it to life with dozens of human-like voices and over 30 interactive languages to create an intelligent virtual companion that is truly unique. Using the HD camera, it precisely perceives its surroundings and recognizes objects.
What's to the right of the Eiffel Tower model?
Right of the Iron Tower, the same blue-white toy car remains.
With onboard I2C and serial communication interfaces, it fuses sensor data to enable multi-dimensional interactive perception.
Switch the light color to red, blue, and green.
Got it. Let me switch the RGB lights to red, blue, and green for you. Red light set. Now switching to blue. Blue is on. Now switching to green. Done. All three colors are set.
Check the distance.
Sure, let me check the distance ahead. The distance is about 289 millimeters ahead.
Check the weather and turn on the fan if the temperature is above 50 degrees F.
Let me check the weather and temperature for you. The current temperature is 60 degrees F in New York. Turning on the fan for you. The fan is on.
Turn off the fan.
Got it. Turning off the fan now.
Only when you see the yellow duck, adjust the steering gear to 500.
I'll keep an eye out for that yellow duck. Let me check what's in front of me first. Oh wow. I see the yellow rubber duck. Now adjusting the servo to position 500. The servo adjusted to position 500.
You can even build an AI-powered smart robot, unlocking endless possibilities for embodied AI creativity and human-robot interaction.
Hello, Hiwonder.
Hello, I'm Hiwonder. Is there anything I can do for you?
Move forward for 1 second. Back 1 second. Turn around once to the left, and turn around once to the right.
Forward completed. Now back. Back completed. Turn around once to the left. Turned around once to the left completed. Finally, turn around once to the right.
Drive along the black line. If you encounter a crossroads, stop and listen to my instructions.
Okay, follow the black line.
Detect the traffic lights ahead. Drive according to the light.
The green light is on. You can pass safely. Continue to move forward.
Detect the road signs ahead. Follow the traffic signs.
Recognize the road sign ahead as a left turn. Turning left.
It also supports robust offline operation. Without relying on the cloud, you can perform Wi-Fi video streaming and offline visual recognition, such as color tracking, face detection, and visual line following. We've prepared over 180 interactive lessons and a wealth of practical examples. From beginner to advanced, we are here to help you master AI large model development and spark your creative potential.